This is the best thing. This is my best strategy. And this is all about keeping it super simple. Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today. I hope everyone had an amazing new year, had a good 2021 and have an even better 2022. In this video, I want to talk about investment strategies going into 2022 because a lot of people keep switching up their strategies, keep trying to adjust to the market, and I'm saying that's not the way to go. In this video, I'm going to talk about my investment strategy going into 2022 and what I will be doing. I want to thank all the supporters that have been rocking with this channel all throughout 2021, supporting, liking this video, commenting, subscribing, man. I love all of you guys and just thanks for everything, and just the growth of this channel has just been going crazy. So I just want to say thank you. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm always providing you with new content. First thing I want to say is the importance of just sticking with your strategy and just kind of keeping it simple. Like, that's one of my goals going into 2022, keeping it simple and sticking with a fundamental strategy. Because in 2021 was such a crazy time. We saw all these meme stocks exploding. Every stock was going to new all-time highs, AMC, GameStop, all of these stocks, and people adjusted their strategy. They kind of went with the meme stocks, invested in the stocks, and they got killed. They didn't keep it simple, sticking to their strategy, investing in undervalued companies at a cheap price, buying stocks with a margin of safety, paying less than what it's actually worth. And that's the fundamental truth of value investing. We just gotta keep it that simple and just sticking long term to our holdings and just watching the growth for 4, 5, 6, 10 years, whatever it is. So that's my number one rule going into 2022. The second thing I'm gonna be doing, I wanna make an extensive watch list of companies. Just expand my list of companies to like hold on the side in case anything happens. And that's what I want to do, because this channel, I've really built it on buying Baba, Tencent, JD.com, all amazing companies. But I want to expand that list just in case the market crashes. I'm feeling safe with the stocks I own, but what if the market does crash in this year, next year, whatever? I want to be prepared. I want to be ready to have a list of 5, 6, 7 stocks I'm willing to buy right away soon as it hits that price. So I want to just make an extensive list of different companies to buy in case of a market crash or in case something happens in the short term with a company. So that's my another investment goal, another investment strategy I'm going to be doing in 2022. My next strategy, I want to focus more on dividend stocks. I really want to buy undervalued dividend stocks that are growing with a good dividend yield and payout ratio. I'm going to start making probably more videos on dividend companies that I'm looking at, I'm willing to buy, because my goal is to get passive income. I honestly want a passive income of like, what, $20,000, $30,000? I know that's a high ceiling, but that's what I want it to be, man. I want to reach that goal eventually. It might take 10 years, 15 years, whatever. But $20,000 of passive income from dividends is an amazing goal. But I want to make sure I'm still buying sound, fundamentally great companies. And that's one of my goals. I don't want to kind of get out of the way and just buy a dividend stock just for the dividend. A dividend company that is growing with a good dividend yield, payout ratio, and still growing its earnings and bottom line. So that's what I'm going to be looking for in 2022 more of. But I'm still going to be looking at the growth stocks that are probably not paying a dividend. I'm still going to be looking at those companies, but I'm going to have this little focus on these dividend growers. And that's what I really, really want. I have passive income stream. And then for my last strategy going into 2022, this is the best thing. This is my best strategy. And this is all about keeping it super simple. All the companies that I own right now, I've made a video of my portfolio. I just want to hold them, man. I just want to keep it simple, hold them, be patient, and just relax. That's what I want to do. Not a lot of activity, not a lot of trading back and forth in and out of companies. I just want to keep it simple and hold on to the stocks that I already own that I know are undervalued at this present moment. So that's my goal, man. Just keep a straight head focus on what I own in my portfolio. Buy more of the stock if it gets cheaper and just hold on and be patient. That's what I just really want to implement in 2022, because 2021, I was trading in and out of a lot of stocks just because there was so much momentum, there was so much opportunity. But in 2022, I kind of want to relax and just lay back, buy these undervalued growth companies if the opportunity presents itself. And if it doesn't, I'm just going to hold on to the stocks that I already own that I think are undervalued. So the best strategy is just holding on to your winners for the long term. Unless something changed dramatically in that company, then you can switch out for another company, or you can just sell off your position. So that's going to be my main focus. This is going to be my investment strategy in 2022, guys. Tell me, what's your investment strategy? What are you going to look out for? What are you going to do differently? What's your plans for 2022 when it comes to stocks, investing, whatever it is, man? Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, comment, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Peace.